This will be the last video from the chapter areas related to circles, and we are going to look at the only question from 2018 from this chapter. You know that from 2018 CBSE started giving questions from all the lessons in the textbook, and therefore the number of questions from each lesson got reduced. So in the previous years, if you have watched the videos, you would have noticed 2 or 3 questions from areas related to circles in each year. But for 2018, this was the only question from that lesson. Find the area of the shaded region where arcs drawn with centers A, B, C and D intersect in pairs at midpoints P, Q, R and S of sides AB, BC, CD and DA respectively of a square ABCD of side 12 centimeters. Long sentence, isn't it? So we just need to find the area of this shaded region in the middle. You know that ABCD is a square of side 12 centimeters. So that's 12. AD is 12. And all of these arcs, these 4 arcs, have been drawn with the vertices of the square as center. A, B, C, D. So the centers of those 4 arcs are A, B, C and D. And from the figure it's very clear that all of these arcs have the same radius, and the radius is equal to half of the side of a square. So in this case the radius of each of these arcs is 6 centimeters. And if you look at this area here, you can see that it's a quadrant of a circle because this angle is 90 degrees. So that's 1/4 of a circle of radius 6 centimeters. So finding the shaded region's area is quite easy. You need to find the area of the square and then subtract the area of the 4 quadrants. So area of the square is 12 squared because 12 is the side, and area of the 4 quadrants will be, you know that each quadrant has the same area, so it's going to be 4 times area of each quadrant, and area of a quadrant is 1/4 of the area of a circle, so that's 1/4 of pi r squared, and r in this case is 6. So if you calculate this will be 144 minus 36 pi, and if you use pi is equal to 3.14 as given in the question, you will get the area of the shaded region as 30.96 centimeter square.